Hello guys, my name is Vishal Mankar and welcome to CV Clouds. This is my first YouTube video and in this video I will teach about how to write a trigger and my goal is to teach you how to think while writing trigger or while writing any code. Okay, so let's start with our first trigger scenario. So here is the trigger scenario and let's start understanding what is the requirement. So the scenario is when we are trying to insert new record into account. Okay, uh, when we are inserting an account record, if there is any record existing with same account name, it should prevent duplicate record. That means if we are trying to insert an account record with the same name and that the existing account record, okay, so then it will throw an error. Okay, it will not allow us to insert that record. Okay, so I will show you how the requirement should look like. Okay, first let's log into the Salesforce. Open app. Oh, let me open sales app. Okay, go to accounts tab. Okay, so the requirement is, see, we have the existing account that is of name Burlington Textile Corp of America. So if we are creating any account with the same name, okay, and try to click save, then it will not allow us to insert the new account. Okay, it will throw an error, or it can give a validation error here. Okay, now it is allowing us to insert the record, but after writing a trigger it will not allow us. We have to write a trigger for that. Let's delete this account and go to developer console. Okay, click on file, click on new trigger. Okay, let's give the name to the trigger, that is account trigger. Object should be account. Why? Because we are triggering this trigger on account record. Let's submit it. The trigger is created. Okay, so let's talk about events. Which event we should use? We have multiple events. For example, before insert, before update, before delete, after insert, after update, after delete, after undelete. Okay, so we have to show the error, okay, before insert the record. That's why we have to use here before insert, because if we use any after context, okay, then it will throw the error after inserting of the record. Okay, so it does not make sense if we use any after event. So we will use here before, because before inserting, as the name suggested, that before inserting the record, do this automation or run this code. Okay, so we will use here before insert. For the best practice, use if here trigger dot is before, trigger dot is insert, save it. What is mean by this? That means we will call a handler class here. Okay, we will call the another method in that handler class. Okay, so it will make sure this class will be run only for before insert context. Okay, or before you insert event. Let's create a class. For that, click on file, click on new, click here Apex class, write Apex class name, that is account trigger handler, save it. Let me make it H as capital. Okay, here we will create a method, static void. We will give a meaningful name here to the method, that is a show error on error on duplicate account, save it. Okay, so make sure you save Apex class first, then trigger, because sometimes what happens, we will try to save the trigger and before Apex class, so trigger is not saving here, it is still showing, it will still show the saving. Okay, so make sure first you save the Apex class and then trigger. So here we will accept the list of account ACC list. Okay, from here we will call that method class name dot method name. Okay, semicolon, save it. Okay, so here we are calling before inserting of account, run this code. Okay, run this method of this Apex class. Okay, when we see this show error on duplicate account method has one parameter. Okay, we are calling the whatever the things inside this bracket we are calling parameter. It is accepting list of account in ACC list. So here we need to pass the list of account from the trigger, that is trigger.new. In trigger.new, it will pass the list of account that we are inserting. Okay, if we are inserting only one account record, then in this list of account there should be only one account record will be present there. Okay, so think like this is the trigger.new means this is the list of account that we are inserting. Even if it is a one account, it will be a list. Okay, list of account we are inserting and we are catching here in ACC list. Okay, so think like that, we pass the list of account that is let's say single account record we pass here and it is in ACC list. Okay, for the best practice, just it is for the best practice, just make sure ACC list should not be empty. ACC list dot is empty is a function. Okay, it's a standard function. That means ACC list is empty should be not, save it. That means ACC list should not be empty. Okay, then what we have to do here, we need to check if there is an existing account with the same name exist or not. So first what we have to take, we have to take all the accounts with the name. Okay, we will get the list of account existing ACC accounts. Okay, here we are taking all the accounts from our org. Okay, we will what is the requirement here, we have to take the all the names of account so that we can match if the name of the current account that we are going to insert, if it is exist, then throw the error. Okay, so we will iterate on it. On the left side we will add the object and its instance, and this is the list. We are iterating on the list. Why? Because we have to check in every account of this existing account. Okay, we have to check every account of the existing account and we have to take the name of the account. Okay, in a what we can say list, but here we will use set here. Why? Because we have to take only unique names. Okay, if there are two accounts with the same name, we need to only names of, we need only unique names of the existing account. List of string, because name is in text, existing account names, new set of string, semicolon, and we will add all the account names in this set. AC dot name. What it will what will happen here is, it will take all the existing account. If we have, let's say in our org we have 10 accounts, okay, it will iterate over all 10 accounts, and in the existing account name it will add all the 10 accounts name, okay. And now what we will do here, we will check if existing account name contains, we need to use here for loop for the current account, because we have to check for the current account that we are going to insert, okay. Account AC, what is the current account? It current account is in ACC list. We will use here like this. See, here we are iterating on the current account, okay. Current account is AC, okay. So what we are checking here, if existing account, like it has 10 accounts for example, if existing account names contains AC dot name, then throw an error. What we have to show on the account record, account dot add error. Add error is a standard function of Salesforce to show the error, okay, on the record. So AC dot add error, and what we have to here in the string, we have to pass whatever the error we have to show. Let's say you are adding and okay, and save it. You cannot add account with say existing name. That means it is preventing us, it will throw the error and it will prevent us to uh, insert an account with the same name, okay. And if the account name does not contains, that it will go here, and that's it. It will allow us to insert the account record with the different name. Let's save it, okay. So here our trigger is ready, our handler is also ready, okay. And now we will check, we will test the our code if it is working or not. Let's start with the same account name. We will copy. As you can see here, we have the existing account with Burlington Textiles, and we will create the new account with the same name. I put the same name here in the account name and just save it. So what is expected, we should get an error here, and the trigger should not allow us to create an account with the same name. Let's save it. See, here we are getting the error, you cannot add account with existing name, whatever we give here the error text. So see, we are getting the error and it will not allow us to add the existing account with same name, okay. So this is the one scenario. What other scenario is, let's try to change the name and make it unique, okay. I will add here unique or any text, let's say ABC. I know that we don't have any account name with this name, and what should be the expectation, it should allow us to insert an account with the unique name. Let's try to save it. It should save. See, it is saving. So our functionality is working correctly, okay. So yeah, that's all about this trigger. And let me know in the comment section if you didn't understand anything or if you have any queries, okay. And if you are new, obviously you are new to my YouTube channel, this is my first video, so please subscribe my channel and like, share, and also comment in this video. So thank you so much guys.